Welcome guys, so today I am with the Nokia X10 and I want to show you how camera promote works in this smartphone. So to open the Pro mode at the first we have to go for the more modes, and as you can see right here it appears the Pro mode. So just tap on it once to open this mode, and at the first I can recommend you to simply tap on this information icon where you'll find the description of each feature. So if you don't know what is going on in the Pro mode, I can recommend you definitely to try it out. Next we can focus on this panel. So right here we can find different functions. At the first we can set the white balance. By moving this slider, as you can see, it changes color and the temperature. Another option is the focus. So we can set it manually, automatically. You can set it on the macro objects or basically infinity. You can decide how to make it. The next one is the ISO. So right here we can boost the white balance, the brightness. Here we can also find the shutter speed. We can set it up even for the 20 seconds and also automatically. And the last parameter that we can set up only manually, it's the exposure compensation. To reset all of these parameters, just tap right here. In this place we can switch the photo format. Right here we can enable camera delay, we can enable flashlight or open the Google Lens. And yeah, that's all for this video. That's the Nokia X10 and the camera Pro mode. If you find this video helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.